In this video, we'll demonstrate how to split the screen on Mac. Let's get started. Before we delve into the details, let's define the purpose of split screen functionality. It enables you to maximize your screen space by showing two apps side by side, eliminating the need for constant resizing. It's important to note that this feature is available on Mac OS Catalina or later versions. Now, let's move on to the step-by-step process. Begin by opening any app or web browser on your Mac. At the top left corner of the app or window, you'll notice three buttons colored red, yellow, and green. Hover your cursor over the green button and pause for a moment. This will reveal a series of options for adjusting your screen layout. Select either Tile Window to left of screen or Tile Window to right of screen to position your current window accordingly on the left or right side of the screen. The remaining open windows on your Mac will automatically adjust to fill the opposite side of the split screen. Simply click on the window you want to display alongside your current one. And there you have it. Your Mac is now in split screen mode, ready for enhanced multitasking efficiency. Don't forget to subscribe to Guiding Tech and check out one of our other videos for more tech insights and enjoyment.